Hi guys, and thank you so much for watching as always. Today we are back with Space Engineers, and well, we need to explain a few things. I'm here with Craig again.
Hello.
Hello, Craig. So what we're going to do is, on the last video we showed that we were going to do this huge project with this space station. We have run into a couple of problems. Mainly, we're getting some lag issues because of the sheer size of the actual affair. So we are not giving up on it. We're just going to postpone it for the time being. We are going to keep working on it.
We're not giving up lightly either, because we've got a 12-core and an 8-core processor. There's no reason we shouldn't be able to do this.
Exactly, yeah. We've both got quite high-end PCs. So it's kind of, yeah, it's just one of those things. Maybe we'll wait for a bit of more optimization with the game, but we'll see what happens. But we're still definitely going to keep plugging away at it. So the next project, as you can see on the screen right now, is we're going to do a dry dock. We're going to build a dry dock for ships to actually come into, and they get refitted, resupplied, and so on and so forth. So this is just a basic shell of it at the moment. We've not designed it the way we want it to be. Currently, I'm just doing the shell. So I'm doing the arms and what have you. I'm just building those. And Craig is doing the habitation area at the top here. So we'll do a quick flyby into Craig's area. That sounded a bit kind of rude when you think about it, but... So what we're going to do is we're going to fly over here. Just let me turn symmetry off so you're not being bothered with all the colours and everything. Oh, where's Craig? Oh, there he is. So this is basically a habitation area on top of the dry dock.
/ command deck.
Command deck, yeah, especially, yeah. So what we're going to be doing is obviously joining these portions together. So there will be quite a large gap between the actual ribs. We'll just call them ribs for the sake of argument. So we're going to join about, how many do you think? Maybe 6, 7, something like that?
Well, technically it's a modular design, because I think in the end what we'll do is we'll turn this into a large ship, add some thrusters to it, and then make it so that you can actually merge the two together once you've lined up the merge blocks.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Hopefully merge blocks are stable enough that they don't crash anymore, because when you used to do it, is if you had them too far apart or something, they would snap together and then break and disappear, and then the ship would merge itself together. It was really annoying.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I mean, this is just, like I say, this is the beginnings of it. This is the first idea, anyway, that, well, we're discussing this over the last couple of days, just saying, what would you like to do, what kind of thing would you like to build? We both kind of thought, oh, a dry dock, that would be so cool, to park a ship inside and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is just the beginnings. This is early days. We've literally just been... Craig was working on it last night on a different kind of version. He was getting an idea of what he wanted to do and like shape-wise. And then today, literally, we've just been starting this, and this is where we're up to. So this is by no means like the finished shape. We're just literally playing around with it. But yeah, so hopefully we'll have some more videos coming up soon where we can show you exactly the build process, how far we've got and what we're doing next. And as always, what we'll probably end up doing is making it some sort of release or some way for you guys to experience this kind of build as well. So unless you've got anything else to say, Craig?
I wanted to say something earlier, but I don't remember what it is. It's not of importance, apparently.
What I would say as well is, like we said, we've got the modular areas on the top where the habitation and control decks are going to be. We are going to attempt to put some sort of labs or something maybe in the side of the ribs. We're not sure yet. We've not decided on the details. Like I say, this is literally... we've been building for about 2 hours, maybe? Hour and a half? 2 hours?
I don't know. Your recording software deleted the call.
Right, okay. Yeah, damn. But yeah, so we've been going at it for about an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. But everything's looking really good now. Everything's like kind of coming together. We're getting kind of... We're becoming like where we're getting the similar ideas of like what we want to do and stuff. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching as always. Please feel free to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. The next video will show us obviously when this is a bit more developed, and it should look awesome. So take care of each other, and goodbye.